Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Palworld game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and once you are taken into the store page, you can click on the search box. And now just type in Palworld and begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page, where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Now click on Add to Cart alongside your preferred bundle or edition, and then click on View My Cart to continue towards your payment. You can then use your Steam Wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Then just fill up your credentials, followed by your billing information, and once you complete your transaction, the game will be added to your library. You can then complete the installation in just a few clicks, and once it is done, you may start enjoying the Palworld game on your device. So there you have it, that is how easy it is to download and install Palworld on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.